Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. If you are in search of fantastic modern kitchen sink ideas, you have come to the right place. In this video, we have curated a plethora of inspiring kitchen sink designs, including the latest trends and innovations. From sleek stainless steel options to luxurious granite composite sinks, we cover a wide range of materials and styles to suit every taste and preference. But that's not all. We also delve into the world of corner kitchen sinks, perfect for those looking to optimize space in their kitchen. Our collection showcases a variety of corner sink designs from single bowl to double bowl configurations, providing both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Whether you are renovating your kitchen or simply seeking some inspiration, this video is sure to spark your creativity and help you find the perfect kitchen sink solution for your home. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the wonderful world of modern kitchen sinks. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for more exciting content like this. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos featuring tips on kitchen organization and interior design hacks. Keep innovating and transforming your space with our expert guidance. Thank you for watching our today's video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, stay tuned and goodbye.